Hello my friends, and welcome to Wonderful Home Design channel. In this video, we show you Christmas decoration tips in every room at home. Welcome to our festive celebration of Christmas ornaments. These small decorations add a big splash of joy and personality to your holiday decor. Join us as we explore their history, significance, types, and creative ways to use them this season. Christmas ornaments have a rich history. The tradition of decorating trees dates back to 16th century Germany, where people initially used edible items like fruits and nuts to adorn their trees. It wasn't until the 19th century that glass ornaments became popular, thanks in part to craftsmen in the Loesche region of Germany. These artisans created intricate designs, leading to the beautiful glass ornaments we know and love today. As the trend spread, the United States started mass-producing ornaments, resulting in an explosion of styles, colors, and materials. Today, ornaments come in an endless variety of styles and materials. Let's explore some popular types and how they can enhance your holiday decor. First, we have traditional glass ornaments. These timeless decorations often come in vibrant colors and various shapes, from classic round balls to intricate figurines. They catch the light beautifully and can evoke a sense of nostalgia, especially if they are heirlooms handed down through generations. To display glass ornaments, consider using an assortment of sizes. Larger ornaments can go toward the bottom of the tree, while smaller ones can adorn the top branches. Mixing matte and shiny finishes can add depth to your tree's visual appeal. Themed ornaments are another fun way to personalize your Christmas tree. From whimsical animals to travel mementos or even hobbies, themed ornaments tell a story about your family's interests and experiences. Consider creating a travel-themed tree, adorned with ornaments representing places you visited. Each ornament can spark a memory, turning your tree into a beautiful scrapbook of experiences. DIY ornaments are a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and make special keepsakes. You can craft them from various materials, including wood, felt, or even recycled items. One simple yet popular DIY idea is salt dough ornaments. Just mix flour, salt, and water, roll it out, and use cookie cutters to create festive shapes. Once baked and cooled, you can paint and decorate them as you please. This also makes for a lovely family activity during the holiday season. Vintage and vintage-inspired ornaments have become increasingly popular in recent years. Thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops often have beautiful finds from past decades that can add charm and character to your tree. Mixing different styles can create an eclectic and cozy look. Don't hesitate to incorporate mismatched ornaments. It's all about telling a story and creating a unique festive vibe. Personalized ornaments are a wonderful way to commemorate special moments. Consider engraving family names, the year, or significant milestones. These ornaments make for cherished keepsakes that can be passed down through generations. You can also create ornaments that celebrate your children's achievements or special events, like a wedding or new home. It's a lovely way to display your family's journey on your tree. Let's talk about creative ways to display your ornaments beyond just the Christmas tree. Consider creating a festive centerpiece for your dining table using a glass cloche or bowl filled with ornaments. You can even hang them from ceiling hooks or an elegant branch. An innovative idea is to arrange ornaments in large glass jars throughout your home. This not only adds to your holiday decor, but also gives guests a delightful surprise when they come across them. Let's not forget the impact of lights. The addition of twinkling fairy lights can bring your ornaments to life, enhancing their colors and shapes. A well-lit tree creates a magical ambience, perfect for sharing those special holiday moments with family and friends. Whether you prefer a classic look or a modern twist, ornaments play a vital role in defining your Christmas decor. They reflect your personality, traditions, and the joyous spirit of the season. As you decorate for the holidays this year, take a moment to appreciate the history and beauty of Christmas ornaments and how they can transform your home into a winter wonderland. Happy decorating, and may your holidays be merry and bright.